Hey guys, quick unboxing. Got these, I guess it's Tenker K1 4K action cam in today. Gonna go ahead and unbox it. It's a little bit backwards. Let's fix her up for you. Here's the camera. It's 4K. And in the box, this was recommended by Jay over at Drone Days. But there's the camera. It's already got the mount clip attached. Let's see what else we got here. We got some other stuff going on. Supposedly this comes with a whole lot of accessories. Have another mount for a handlebar. You can use this for all kinds of stuff. It's the same size as the GoPro, so you can use it for your drones. Here's a couple of, looks like a couple of quick connects here. Here's your little button for recording and taking pictures. That's actually kind of cool because you can actually put a band on that. I think it probably comes with the band, so you can put it on your wrist. You don't have to hold it. There's a couple more angle quick connects. You've got your micro USB charger. An optional holder / mount that you could probably use on one of your drones. But if your drone takes a GoPro, this should fit. Here's one battery. Here's some more connections. There's a side connect, an invert connect. Here's part to the waterproof casing. I'm not sure if the other piece of the waterproof is in there. Here's some straps for whatever. I guess one of them is for the one of them's for your wrist and the other one's for something else. I'm not sure what that other one's for. Here's a little lanyard, so you can lanyard it to whatever you want. There's some double-sided stickies in there. Here's another connection of some sort. There's some extra zip ties. Here is another strap. More than likely this is the one for the wristband. You have two more connects here. I mean, this is pretty versatile. I mean, it's got a connection for just about anything. And then we got another box back here. I'm pretty sure I know what this one is. I think this one's probably the selfie stick. Yeah, it comes with the selfie stick with an actual quick connect to it. You don't have to use any kind of extra stuff. That's pretty awesome. Not sure what I would use a selfie stick for at the moment, but that's good to have. But that's it for the unboxing. I'll get a couple videos in as soon as I can to test and review this camera. It looks pretty good, 4K camera. J-Drone got me turned on to this one. I'll check you guys later. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. It's Deezy. Peace out. Y'all have a great day.